IDs, how you doing? We're on the eve of Module 4, and I got to tell you that I think the first 3 weeks have been going really well, and I've really been pleased with what I've been seeing, especially within the discussion board and how your responses have been coming through and how you're interacting with one another and collaborating. It's really hopeful stuff for me, and how the second 2/3 of the class is going to go. Um, Things I think have been going according to plan as far as I'm concerned, because my hope was to get us really moving forward with our teamwork, collaboration, getting to know each other, formulating relationships that may not necessarily be there, and maybe shore up some relationships that are there, because I know that some of you have worked together before in the past. Um, but I think we're in a really good place, and now is the time that we need to be in that place, because things are gonna move forward rather quickly over the next couple of weeks, and we're moving away from the efficacy, which is oh well, how can we make instructional design work? How can we make it efficient and so forth? Who's our audience, right? In the second module with the adult learner, what are the means by which we're going to do these things? Um, Talking about tools in week 3. Week 4, this is when we're going to start talking about the process of designing an online course, with the project management module. And this is a really fun one. In fact, you know, in terms of the development, when I was putting together this course, this is the one that I actually started with. I started with Module 4, with this project management one. It was the one that I really wanted to work on, and I really wanted to get a feel of how to develop a course of my own through this particular subject matter. This is I think a really really important one. And the thing that's really fun about this one is that it's rather a provocative type of topic, because um, project management. Do you really think project management? You think of instructional design? Well, I think that's the big question here. Is is project management a part of instructional design? Is it a part of the ID's job and the ID's identity? Um, we're going to look into that. So that's really going to be a fun discussion to be thinking about. We had a couple of really good articles, and the lecture that I did um, is really based on the principles of project management. So I think you're really going to like this one. Um, but let me just kind of say this, that I would advise you to get as much as your work done before the discussion deadline Wednesday at midnight, because um, I will have a special announcement coming up midweek, and you can expect another recording similar to this one um, Wednesday night. Actually, Thursday morning, Wednesday at 11:59, about the project. So that is going to launch basically on that particular day. So there'll be an announcement with my recording. You're going to receive some correspondence, and we're going to just really leap into the development of the course starting second half of this week. So the truth of the matter is, these next 14 days may be the busiest of the entire semester, um, and I think that that's okay, because we don't want the busiest time of our course to be within the last 4 days of the course. And the course is planned that way, so that we're going to be working on a project, but nobody's going to be rushed at the end. Um, so anyway, just get ready for that Wednesday night or Thursday morning, whatever, and we'll just kind of go from there. You'll see that the assignment load looks light this week, but after Wednesday, we're going to see some of the stuff that's actually going to be extended over a couple of weeks. I hope you have a really good week. Get your work done before Wednesday, and we'll go forward from there. All right, take care.